Casagrand Aspires. Casagrand Aspires is a beautifully crafted contemporary style community with 316 finest 2 and 3 BHK apartments spread across 1.7 acres at Navalur. Let me quickly give you the top 6 reasons why you need to invest now at Casagrand Aspires. Location. Casagrand Aspires is located just 10 minutes from Sholinganallur. It is a perfect choice for anyone who is looking to buy a home in Navalur, Thoraipakam, Karapakkam, Sholinganallur, Perumbakkam, Medavakkam, Semanjeri, Tarambur, Siriseri and Kelambakam. Its proximity to reputed schools, colleges, hospitals, leading industrial and transport hubs such as Athena Global School, Amethyst International School, PSBB School, Satyabama University, St. Joseph's College of Engineering, Chettinad Hospital, SIPCOT, Infosys and TCS Siriseri makes it a perfect choice for any home buyer. Price. The nearby locations like Navalur, Perumbakkam and Sholinganallur are priced anywhere between Rs 5,000 to Rs 6,500 per square feet. If you want to buy an apartment at Sholinganallur, you will have to spend a minimum of Rs 6,500 per square feet. At Casagrand Aspires, we are offering a never-heard price of just Rs 3,699 per square feet. Amenities and specifications. Casagrand Aspires offers 75 plus world-class amenities and an exclusive 7,300 square feet clubhouse with amenities such as 3,000 square feet overflowing edge pool and kids pool with water jets, gym, aqua amphitheatre with stage, working pods and many more interesting amenities. Apartments are designed with the most premium specifications such as designer main door, digital door lock, counter mount wash basin, rain shower and premium sanitary fittings to make your life the most convenient. Product planning. Casagrand Aspires offers the best master and unit plans with a major focus on 5 important design elements such as light, ventilation, privacy, beautiful views and Vastu. 14,000 square feet landscaped areas and 5,500 square feet podium spaces, encouraging the maximum light, ventilation and outdoor recreational activities in the community. Huge sliding windows in the units offer 3 times more light, ventilation and beautiful views than other homes. A beautiful high-rise community with all the bedrooms and balconies offering spectacular city skyline views or podium views. Efficiently planned apartments with spacious living, dining and balcony, common hand wash, kitchens with double-side counters and Vastu compliance with no wastage of space. Completion timeline. Casagrand is committed to deliver Casagrand Aspires in just 24 months compared to the general market handing over timeline of 36 plus months, which increases your pre-EMI burden. Casagrand Advantage. For such a superior product, we can offer it at the lowest price because of 3 reasons. We have our in-house construction team. We finish every project at the most optimal speed. The volume of construction we do every year enables cost saving. This in turn is passed on to customers as a benefit. With over 18 years of excellence, 27,000 happy customers and 140 projects across Chennai, Bangalore and Coimbatore, we are 100% sure that you wouldn't miss this opportunity to be a part of the Casagrand family. So go for it today and book now.